Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. When you look at the EMS on TV or in real life, they don't always run to a scene. We asked the paramedic, what is the process as they approach a scene?
So unlike you may see on some of the television programs, we don't run to a scene. As we arrive on scene, every single step we're taking, we are rehearsing, we are planning, we are communicating to each other, we are reading the environment, we are assessing, we're doing a dynamic risk assessment of how we are going to get in, how we get it out. Does this seem safe? Are we being recorded? Is there anyone around us that can help us? Is this scene appropriate for providing emergency treatment, or do we need to remove somebody to our vehicle? There are so many decisions that are made and so many nuances. It's important that when we arrive on scene that we are calm and composed and have our thoughts about us in order to do what we need to do. Don't have the perception that we're just strolling up and we don't have a sense of urgency. There are a lot of clinical decisions that are made in advance of arriving on scene. Often people will say, how do you stay so calm? We experience these situations regularly and time again, and we're trained and we train and simulate the situations and rehearse them so that when we face them for the first time, we have something to fall back on.